Like I'm actually gonna do that. Hey guys, I'm back. Guess what? I finally got a raise. So, who wants to go out for vodka tomorrow? And I say tomorrow because, well, today is Saturday, and Saturday is mostly cleaning day. So, we are going to clean. Guys? US? 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 Hey, Russia, what's up? I'm good. I just got back from the bank. What? Oh, wait. What? It is cleaning day, and I suggest you help. Oh, it's cleaning day. Oh, well, you see, I may have started my workout a bit too late. So, fine, I'll do it by myself. Really? Of course. I mean, you got to do it. Thanks, man. Hey! Okay, I'm going to start with all the small crevices first. Starting with here. Are you actually gonna lift the... Are you actually gonna lift it? No, of course I got to take everything off before I actually disassemble the drawer. So you are not disassembling my drawer. 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 Whatever. But you're not disassembling it. Already did? What the? I didn't do that! Ah, you are very funny.
Where is UK?
I was over there. Yeah, mate. Solve Rubik's cubes. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, well, if you're gonna do that, then you might as well bench press it.
No problem.
But you're actually... You're not actually gonna bench press that. I knew it. Wait. Subscribe.